Hi, Abdulhamid. This is what you submitted for your midterm. I'm going to open it. And this is what it looks like. This is what I asked you to build. So let's compare these two side by side. Maybe I'll put this over here and this over here. Oops. So this is what I asked you to build, and this is what you built. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is this section here. In order to make it look like this, instead of this, I'm going to go to your styles and I'm going to work on the header, right? The header has a green background color. So I'm going to change that to green. Now I have that green background color. And you also gave it some padding and margin. And for now, I'm going to comment those out. So now you can see the green is right here. This is it. We'll add some padding and margin in a second, but I want to look at your container. Here, I'm going to comment out the padding. And now it reaches the edges. See that? We did want that. And you said margin auto width 700. That should all be fine. I'm going to now look at your H1. I don't see anything for your H1, so I'll put it here. And I'm going to give it a background color of this purple. So now I've got the background color of purple, but the header, it's got that green background color, but it doesn't have space at the top and bottom. So I'm going to give it that. I'll bring your padding back, and I'm going to say padding top 50px, and then I'll also say padding bottom 50px. And I'm going to comment out this margin auto. So now you can see we've got some green at the top and some green at the bottom and a purple middle, just like this. The only thing else I want to do to your H1 is take off the heavy font weight. Font weight. And I'll just say lighter. Let's see if that works. There it is. So probably this should be a capital L. So in order to fix that, I'll say text transform capitalize. There, now it's a capital L. So this is yours again, and this is what I instructed. So far it looks pretty good, but your nav, you've got a green background on, which we don't need. So I will comment that out. Now it looks pretty much like the other website. I probably wouldn't do that, but that's just a design thing. It's, of course, up to you. I left the design up to you. I gave you those two links and said design them. You got the text area in. I like the purple background you made for it. Let's look at the how-to. And since I changed it on your styles, this worked as well. I think, to be honest, this lighter, I think it should say normal. I think that's closer. How to dry lavender, how to, yeah, I think that's a little bit closer to this. Anyway, it's just that, right? Getting your H1 styled and getting Oh, I see. I have an extra. Getting the top and bottom and the background color on the header. All right, that's it on your midterm.